Welcome to today's video on the complete roadmap for learning app development. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your journey into app development or a seasoned developer aiming to broaden your skills, this guide is for you. The first step on your app development journey is setting clear goals. Decide which platform you want to develop for: iOS, Android, or both, and choose a niche or target audience. Before diving into app development, you'll need a strong foundation in programming. Start with fundamental languages like Python, JavaScript, Swift, or Java. Familiarize yourself with mobile app architecture, including front-end and back-end components. Know how the parts work together. Install and configure the necessary development tools for your chosen platform, such as Android Studio for Android or Xcode for iOS. Now, let's talk about platform-specific training. For iOS development using Swift, you'll need to master this programming language and delve into the iOS SDK. If you're developing for Android using Java or Kotlin, become proficient in your chosen language and understand the Android Studio environment. Good design is crucial. Learn the principles of UI and UX design and practice using design tools like Figma or Adobe XD. Create the front-end user interface of your app, including layouts, views, and widgets. Develop the backend, focusing on server-side code, databases, APIs, and data management. Learn about databases like Sqlite, Mistral, or Firebase for data storage. Build the core functionality of your app, covering user authentication, data retrieval, and business logic. Testing is crucial. Explore unit testing, integration testing, and usability testing. Familiarize yourself with debugging tools and emulators. Understand the process of publishing your app to app stores, including requirements like icons, descriptions, and screenshots. Use Git for version control, essential for managing your code base and collaborating with others. Optimize your app for speed, efficiency, and responsiveness. Use profiling tools to identify and fix performance issues. App security is vital. Learn about data encryption, user authentication. Build a portfolio to showcase your app development skills and projects. Thank you for watching today's video on the complete roadmap for learning app development. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and resources to kickstart your app development journey. Good luck!